Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Windows 10 build 1803 Plus and a Miracast-capable phone, or a USB cable and developer options for wired casting. First, open Settings on Windows and search Projecting to this PC to enable discovery. This allows your PC to act as a receiver. Once done, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the PC, or connect the USB cable. Wired is more reliable for video. These steps prepare both devices to negotiate the connection. You now perform the actual connection. For wireless, pull down your phone's quick settings, tap cast or screen mirroring, then choose your PC name. On Windows, accept the connection prompt. For wired, enable USB debugging and developer options and open your phone app or a trusted third-party app, then follow on-screen pairing steps. Once connected, set projection mode in Windows display settings, duplicate to mirror, extend to use both screens. This controls how content appears and why you choose each mode. You wrap up by optimizing the view. Open display settings to set resolution, scaling, and orientation so text and apps look correct. This prevents blurry or cut-off UI. If sound isn't routed, select the correct playback device in sound settings. If connection fails, try the classic fixes. Restart both devices, update wireless and display drivers on Windows, toggle Wi-Fi, or switch to a USB cable. These steps resolve most handshake and driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.